Heptabase versus Notion. Choosing the right productivity app can transform your workflow without overwhelming complexity. Both offer unique approaches to organizing your ideas and tasks, but their methods and focus differ significantly. Heptabase and Notion are powerful productivity tools designed to help you manage information. The core difference lies in Heptabase's visual mind mapping style for knowledge work, while Notion offers a flexible all-in-one workspace combining notes, databases, and project management. Heptabase is a visual workspace designed for knowledge workers who think in connections and maps. It allows users to create digital whiteboards where notes, images, and links can be freely arranged and connected. This spatial approach helps visualize complex ideas and relationships, making it ideal for brainstorming, research, and creative projects. Heptabase supports Markdown notes and integrates tagging and search, but it focuses heavily on the visual organization rather than traditional task management. Its strengths include intuitive idea mapping and a clean interface that encourages exploration of concepts. However, it has limitations in conventional project tracking features like calendars or reminders. The ideal user is someone who values visual thinking and needs a flexible tool to structure knowledge in a non-linear way, such as researchers, writers, or designers seeking clarity through visual context. According to Heptabase.com, it excels in turning scattered thoughts into connected insights. Notion is an all-in-one workspace that combines notes, databases, task management, and collaboration. It offers a modular system where users can build customized pages using blocks for text, tables, checklists, calendars, and more. This flexibility makes it suitable for a wide range of workflows, from personal note-taking to team project management. Notion's strengths include its powerful database features, templates, and integrations that streamline organization and productivity. However, it can feel overwhelming for new users due to its extensive options and sometimes steep learning curve. Notion is ideal for users who want a centralized hub for managing diverse information types and workflows, such as teams coordinating projects or individuals balancing tasks and notes. Notion's official site, Notion, highlights its versatility and collaborative capabilities, making it a popular choice for structured, task-oriented productivity. Choosing between Heptabase and Notion depends on your workflow style. Heptabase shines when you need a visual, free-form space to explore ideas and make connections, perfect for creative or research-focused work. Notion excels in structured organization, combining notes with task and project management, ideal for users who want an all-encompassing productivity system. If you prefer a canvas-like environment with spatial freedom, Heptabase offers a less rigid, more intuitive experience. On the other hand, if you require detailed databases, templates, and collaboration tools, Notion provides a robust framework. The trade-off is between visual flexibility and structured versatility. For example, a writer mapping out story ideas might choose Heptabase, while a project manager coordinating deadlines and tasks would benefit from Notion. Choose Heptabase if your priority is visual knowledge mapping and creative exploration without the constraints of traditional project management tools. Opt for Notion if you need a comprehensive workspace that handles notes, tasks, and collaboration in one place. Its flexibility and powerful features make it the better choice for structured productivity and team coordination. Pick the tool that fits your workflow best.